Smart Home Manager is a program intended to create Ampio mobile application. After running Smart Home Manager, you need to connect to server using Connect button, or if it's first time you use program, First Connection button. It's important to remember that first connection causes deleting configuration saved on server before, so it can be used only after first run. Here we can see message about unconfigured devices. To configure them, click Yes. Now, in Devices window, we can see all elements of device. You can rename element or, for example, manually change state of output. You can see here outputs, inputs, sensors and flags. After clicking Save button, next device window appears. You can name unnamed device. Now save configuration on server. To refresh the list of devices, click Search button. Let's go to Users tab. Here we can add and remove users. Optionally, we can enter password for each user. Next important tab is Groups. Here we can create groups to make using application easier. In Objects tab, we can see all the elements of devices. Each output, input, sensor or flag is independent object. If necessary object hasn't been added automatically, you can add it on your own clicking Add button. You can rename object, set turn on time, change number of element. In settings, you can change type of object, decide which user has access rights. Optionally, you can select on and off icon. In Relations tab, you can create relations between devices. You can, for example, add related object that will control more than one output. All you need to do is add relation and mark outputs you want to be controlled by related object. As you can see, related object has been added to objects list. In Actions, you can create more advanced function as Start Scene or Run Bash function. In Settings, you can use example list or enter your own function. Last step is grouping. Here you can add objects to groups by marking them in Belongs column. As configuration is complete, save it on server. Created app lets us to control 3 lights using one slider or control each light separately.